Hello, tech department. I was hoping you could help me with something. I'm really struggling with my computer in terms of its processing power. I've had issues in the past with my software like Inkscape, where it'll take 4 minutes to process a pretty simple command. And so I've been looking at my activity monitor, and screen recording and Zoom has really been slow. And now I'm trying to use this thing called OBS. But the screen recording for QuickTime was the other way that I did it, QuickTime recording, and that was really slow. And I'm looking for a solution. I don't know if I can reset my whole computer or just work in safe mode maybe, or if you have any ideas how I can improve my processing power. So I thought I'd send this video to you to explain a couple things and maybe go to my activity monitor to see, CPU processing speeds and percent that it's using. Is that useful to look at? I have no idea. And like I said, the OBS is what I'm using for screen recording now, but QuickTime, any type of screen recording, really uses a lot. And the other thing that's coming up is I'm using a tablet here with a pen. This tablet, which to teach math, that's how I have to do it. So if I go over to a website like Pearson, this is how I've been teaching, and going into a particular unit, like we're doing this, and rather than printing out papers or using a document camera, I'm trying to do a lot online. We're in this section right now. And I think this is a pretty good workflow because Pearson's very good for teaching math. And if I go into an example, I can copy this into notebook software, and still kind of slow using any type of pen on screen. Let me see if my pen here works. So I've been using this thing called WebPaint, which is a Google extension. WebPaint's pretty cool, but if I try to write numbers, oh, this is better today. But see how it can't keep up. But the mouse pad keeps up a little bit better, but I can't write on the mouse pad. I'm just wondering how I can get better response from my computer. Is there a lot of stuff I can close down here? I don't know how to do that. Is there a way to clean up my hard drive? Is there a better way to analyze this? Is it more about memory? Can you guys give me any suggestion? My compressed memory, I guess that's a thing. Can you help me? That's what I'm asking you guys to do. This OBS, if you haven't used it, is really, really easy to use. Really easy to set up, totally free. And I think it gives a nice polished look. And if we're trying to be online teaching, it's kind of nice to have this and then transition right into another kind of display. And here I can teach how to do this. It was really set up in about 5 minutes. But I hope I can keep using this process, and maybe you guys can give me some help. Thanks.